Hey guys, welcome back, and we're trying something new today. This is an old build of mine, a commission of the Master Grade Testament, and we're just going to be doing some rotation shots in this video, and as you saw, little glimpses of the final product. So my goal is going to be trying to show you just the pre-builds and my initial planning stages, and then going into the process, and then the painting, and then of course the full completion. So as you can see, there's a lot of scrape marks, and this kit was actually pre-assembled and also pre-painted. So that's usually like the hardest thing to do, and as you see, there's also stickers and decals already applied to it. You see some of the scraping, some of the nub marks still. See on the claw there, we have all the lines and nub marks still. Decal on the back of the leg, on the foot, the scrapes. Little glimpse into the future there. Of course, some of that gold on the back heat sinks, the decal, and that red part at the very tip, that's actually painted as well. Looked like it was brush painted. There are also some panel lining, as you can see on the kneecap, in the dark areas. So I'm pretty sure that's enamel, so you gotta get that out of there as well. And you have the gold, and just a lot of pre-work done to it. Now this isn't something that I thought that I needed to do, and usually this will require additional work, but sometimes I just like to take on a challenge to see if I can do it, because this is not something I've ever knew how to do in the beginning. But overall, the frame of the kit was, solid. There was no other major issues. As far as a review for this kit, I actually want this kit. I've never really been a fan of the straight line. Just like the overall look of it, the feel of the kit felt really cool. And just having a kit that's out of the ordinary, that's not like all these white kits with blue highlights, just having this red kit here. And I don't collect any Xeon kits, so this will be a really good kit for my collection of this style. And I was surprised of how sturdy the build was, so that was really cool. It posed really well. The only thing I didn't like about it is, of course, the price tag. So if I were to get one myself, this thing would be very expensive. Here's that cool backpack. It goes from wings, and it goes to this claw thing. It's super cool. I feel like a lot of the strays have always a different type of backpack. Either it turns into a giant sword. The sword ones are pretty cool. They just feel a little bit more imbalanced because there's so much more plastic. But this one just felt right because it has this thing, and I kind of like that. It's almost like a Dr. Octopus feeling, or a Predator type missile launcher over the shoulder. But yeah, look how cool that looks. Just with it open normally right like this. With the dual pistols, that's kind of like my style. And I'm actually liking the high heel on the feet there. That was pretty cool. Here's a base, But it came with the kit and it was a heavily scratched. You can see it just scratches everywhere. I'm not sure how to get so scratched up. But yeah, this was my first attempt ever painting a base. So it was very interesting. So I was like, a welcome challenge. Here's that backpack standalone. It's really cool looking. It's like a two twin dragon head kind of deal there. The mouth's opened up with the Vulcan cannons in it. Now you can see along the, I guess the base there, those red circles. That was pre-painted. A lot of the portions of this are pre-painted on the sides there. And yeah, it actually wasn't the correct color, so this was going to be one of the hardest pieces to work on. The backpack is like almost like a complete transformation from the original, and then like the joints are brittle, so you gotta like watch out. We didn't want to snap it. All right guys, that's pretty much gonna wrap it up for this video. Just more like an introduction to the workflow. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and of course hang around so we can show you the actual building portion of it and how we get all those scratch marks off and how we fix any kind of damage, so on and so forth, so you can actually see the in-depth process behind it all. Alright guys, I know life can be hard out there, but keep your head up, keep moving forward, and most importantly, let nothing stop you. Peace out.